Hi everyone. Today we are to watch how to recover or restore previous session tabs in Firefox after crashing or closing. Some simple clicks are need to do this. Open Mozilla Firefox. Come to 3 bars. Then Settings. Under General. Simply tick this Open previous windows and tabs. Now if I close Mozilla Firefox with all the tabs and open it again, you can see it's opened with previous times tabs in it. When needed, you can also untick this so that the tabs will not get opened on accidental close or app crash. So, that's it. Hope you found this to be useful. Be with us and also subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.